Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. First of all, before starting this video, I want to thank you guys for sending so much love and huge response on my last luxury bag video. So it inspired me so much that today I'm here with another luxury item, and I'm going to do the unboxing with you all, and I'm very excited. At the same time, I'm very nervous because this package arrived. So here is the package that arrived about 2 days back, and I still didn't open it just because I wanted to unbox it in front of the camera with all of you so you can see my raw expression, my excitement, everything. So about this unboxing, obviously I'm excited. At the same time, I'm very nervous because this package arrived from Farfetch. I bought a YSL bag, and I bought it from Farfetch. So this is my first time experience with Farfetch, and obviously I'm nervous because I don't know how my item looks inside. So yeah, once I open it, we will all know together. Before I open this box, I just want to tell you very shortly what Farfetch website is. So Farfetch website is the home of luxury items. So you can find different brands there. All are 100% authentic. So they have a collection of very much exclusive items. When you go to a boutique and you may not find one item, maybe sold out, or maybe it was from the last season, but Farfetch still may have that. So it's not guaranteed. They have limited supply. So sometimes you find a bag, maybe they have 3 in their stock or 2 in their stock. So you have to be like, if you like something, you have to just promptly buy that, because you never know, the next day you may not find that. It could be sold out. Why I went to Farfetch for shopping? So from the title, you already know that I saved a lot in this bag. So I will tell you the story how I saved so much on a YSL bag, which is like almost impossible. If you go to the YSL boutique or their website, you can never save this much amount. So let's open the bag, see if everything is perfect, and then I'll discuss about it. Okay, so let's open the bag. So oh wow, there you go. Here comes the bag. Well, so it came in a Farfetch box, and then I can see here, do you see? It's St. Laurent, their dust bag. I can see. I'm very nervous at this moment because I hope this bag is all perfect. Sometimes the luxury bags even comes with some sort of defect. You never know. So I cannot believe I have this bag. Any guesses which bag I have got? So see, I love the dust bag. Whew. And there comes the bag. She is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the bag. How gorgeous she is. I wanted to have this bag forever. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen my stories, my reels that I went to YSL store. I tried this bag. Even my last video shows that I went to YSL bag. I tried this bag, and after trying this bag once, I could not sleep. This bag was never out of my head. So I was just looking, like I was just planning to buy this, and I'll tell you right now how I ended up buying it from Farfetch, right? So okay, so this is the bag up close. This is full cuff leather, and this color is dark beige. You open it, and here you have just one big space. And then there's the chain strap, which is all gold. I'm not sure if I should open it right away, but let's do that. We are supposed to, you know, enjoy the unboxing together, right? So yeah, this color, I wanted this color forever. Okay, so my completely unboxing is done. It's complete. This is the bag, and this is the strap. So it comes with a leather portion right here, and then you have the chain. So it's gold and dark beige, and I will write the exact name of the bag down below. So this is probably their envelope metalacy or metalacy, something like that. So it's an envelope bag, and yeah, this is so far I remember. I will surely write the name and also the link. So if you're looking for this bag, you can go ahead and check this out. You can hold this bag like that, double strapped, or you can do like that and hold it single like that. So there's so many options you can how you can hold this bag or wear this bag. And also it comes with this Saint Laurent authenticity card. So let's see for a moment. So yeah, it is the certificate of authenticity. So this is the authenticity certificate. It says that this bag is authentic, 100%. So when you shop from Farfetch, you never have to worry about the authenticity, which is great. So if you go to their website, have before purchasing also talked with their customer service agent. So they have mentioned that they are the home of luxury, and you can actually buy any bag without any doubt or second thought. They also have second-hand items. That is a separate section. So if you're looking for any vintage items, you can still check their website, and they have like different sections for that. Other than that, there could be one design ended up maybe last season and you still want to buy that bag, you can find it at Farfetch. It's not guaranteed, but there are bags that are, you know, sold out everywhere, but still you can find that. So that's the specialty. So now that I have this bag, I cannot stop looking at it. It is so beautiful and such a perfect size, you know. So I will do more shots. I will wear this bag and show you at the end of this video how it looks on me. Okay, now let's share my experience with Farfetch, overall experience, and how I saved the money. Okay, so first of all, I love that it came in a dust bag, even though there's no Saint Laurent box. Maybe I don't know why they don't have the box. Sometime when you buy from Farfetch or Essence or any other website, they just provide you with the dust bag, but they will mention you if you ask them prior buying. And I don't really need a box. All I need is this dust bag. Now I will tell you the story how I ended up ordering from Farfetch. So I went to Yorkdale Mall, and there I went to the Saint Laurent boutique. I tried this bag. I love this so much. So when I came home, I was looking for the bag. Like, I went to their website and I was just looking how much it will cost with tax and all. So suddenly, you know, when you search for something, then from different website they shows ad. So Farfetch was showing ad of this bag. So I went to Farfetch and I was looking for this particular bag, and the color in the Farfetch website looks so gorgeous, like exactly the bag color, and it is so nice. So I just clicked the link. I went to the Farfetch website and I saw there was showing like student discount, and there is also discount for essential workers. So I was very excited. Oh my god, Farfetch is offering discounts, and I was pretty sure I'm not gonna get discount on this bag because luxury items you can usually never get a discount. So after I clicked the bag, it on my cart, I tried my student discount. As you already know, I'm a student from Seneca, so I tried using the discount 10% off. I applied that, and when I went to check out, I realized that from Farfetch website, they don't add any other local tax that we have in the boutiques here. That is amazing. So the price is exactly the same as the boutique here, the YSL boutique, but they don't add the extra tax when you check out. So already I could save like about $300 there, and then when I added my student discount, it was more discount there added. So it was like about $600 that I saved in this bag. So you know what I mean? I saved the tax amount, and on the top of that, I applied my student discount code and I saved even more. I was not expecting this, so I was so excited. And then what happened? Then the story comes. So when I saw the discount, I was like, is it really true? Before placing the order, because it was first time from Farfetch, I wanted to have everything go smoothly. So I thought I should talk to any agent from Farfetch and make sure everything looks good. Like so much discount was unbelievable for me. So the next day I emailed Farfetch, and Farfetch takes 2 to 3 days to reply email. They're not that prompt, I must say, but yeah, definitely they reply. So I was waiting for my agent to reply me. I was not getting a reply. So I was impatient. I thought, let's order it. I went to the website, and for some reason it was showing me the added tax that time. I was so sad. Why there is added tax now? It wasn't there yesterday. I don't know why. I called the agent. If you call, they're prompt. So one tips for you: if you buy from Farfetch, you want to talk to a customer care agent, go talk to them over phone. Never email them. It takes a lot of time. But calling them directly is the best. They can help you. So the agent told me that, yeah, local tax is normal. You pay tax for everything. So it's the normal. I said, yeah, but the other day there was no tax. Why it's now here? She wasn't sure about that. She said everything is good. I placed my order with tax but student discount. After I placed my order, I wasn't happy because why I paid the tax. That is so much like extra. When you buy an expensive item, your taxes are huge. So what I did, I had doubt. I tried to put the bag in my cart again even after I placed my order, just to see like if there was any technical issue actually. So funny part is that after I took the item on my cart again, I saw that there was no added tax. I was very mad. I called the agent again, and this time she could see actually my bag on my cart, and there was no added tax. She was apologizing. She took time. She kept me on hold. She maybe talked to someone. She came back and she was extremely sorry. She said like, it was my fault. I didn't know that. Blah blah blah. So she just told me that they were going to cancel my previous order and replace another order. So place another order for me with a discounted price. I did that, and oh my god, how sad it was. The next morning it showed me that the second order was also canceled just because they were out of stock of this bag. I was really sad at this point, like what? So it was her mistake, which is why it took so much time, and then the bag is sold out. So I thought, okay, it wasn't for me, so yeah, what to do? I was really upset. But yeah, so I was still keeping an eye on this bag. I could never forget the bag. How insane. Like you might be thinking you're insane, but that is how it was happening. And then I suddenly saw the bag again available, and it was just 2 pieces. Last 2 pieces remaining was showing me like that. So I placed my order right away. So my previous 2 orders were canceled. So third time I ordered, this time there was no tax. There was also student discount. So it was the right price. And it was about $600 discount from the boutique. So this time I was super excited. I placed the order and it was weekend, so it was taking time. It took about 3 days to confirm me that my order was okay. They have this in stock and they were shipping for me. So in total, it took about a week for the bag to arrive to me. The thing about Farfetch is that they provide you the items from different countries, not necessarily from Canada. Like I ordered from Canada, my bag came from Saudi Arabia. So if they will search, like if you order something, they will search everywhere from where they can send you easily. So that is something that they're going to do. Some products come from Netherlands, some from Saudi Arabia, some from Italy. So it totally depends, but no doubt they're authentic. That is guaranteed, so everything is good. So now about this bag that I have on my hands, I can see everything looks good. There is no flaws, nothing. And the inside of the bag is, you know, it has a lot of space compared to my other smaller bags. And also it's written Saint Laurent, hope you can see inside. And there's the card pocket here. So yeah, and it has like small grains, pretty tough to hold right now. My YSL told me that gradually it will be a little softer, but I love this kind of structured bags. They look gorgeous, and I especially love this back pocket. This is very, very useful. You can put your phone or, you know, cards, anything that you often take out. So I love the fact for any bag that has that back pocket. So that is pretty much the story of how I saved money on my YSL gorgeous envelope bag. And I want to just finish talking right here and show you how the bag looks on me. I know that you'd love to know what fits inside the bag. I will make another video about that after I use it. Definitely I will use it and then I will share with you my thoughts, what fits and everything. I don't want to make this video too long today, just show you how this bag looks on me so you get an idea if you want to buy this bag. Now let's see how the bag looks on me, mod shots. So it is the perfect length for crossbody for me. You can hold it like double. It can be like, so now it's like double strapped and you can hold it like that on your shoulders. Put the chain inside and snap it so there's no chain right now, and you can use it as a clutch like that. So there's so many options for this bag. That's all for today. I'm going to end this video here today. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Let me know in the comment section below which YSL bag you love and what you think about this particular bag. See you on my next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye.